Look at these magnets. They pull toward each other. Nobody pushed them, so why did they come together? Here is another clue. Opposite signs come together. Is something similar happening inside matter too? Let's investigate. Look closely at this sodium atom. One electron is on the outer shell. Do you notice anything special? Keep watching. Now look at chlorine. Its outer shell is almost full. It needs just one more electron. Could that be important? What do you think will happen? Will sodium keep its electron? Will chlorine take it? Make your prediction. The electron has started moving. But what happens next? What will both atoms become? Here comes our first clue. Sodium lost an electron. Chlorine gained an electron. Now both are different from before. They attract each other and they stay together. This attraction is very strong. But what do we call these charged particles? One particle is positive. The other is negative. What happens when opposite charges meet? You may already know the answer. Now many particles join together. A large structure is formed. This is not just one pair anymore. It is becoming something bigger. Now we can reveal the name. A charged particle is called an ion. Some ions are positive. Some ions are negative. When positive and negative ions join together, they form an ionic compound. Common salt is one example. This happens because of attraction between charges. Ionic compounds have some special properties. They are usually hard, they melt at high temperatures, and they can conduct electricity in solution. You see ionic compounds every day. Table salt is one example. Many useful materials contain ions. Now the hidden world is easier to understand.
Let's try a simple activity. Use paper signs. Can you build your own ionic compound? Let's see.
Look at these two diagrams. Which pair is more likely to stay together? Think about charges. Use what you discovered today. Today we saw how ions joined together. A tiny electron transfer changed everything. But what if electrons never moved between atoms? Let's remember the big ideas. Atoms can form ions. Opposite charges attract. Ions join to form ionic compounds.